Hello friends, this is Dr. Nandini Sharma, Associate Professor, Biyani Girls College. Welcome you all on behalf of Guru KPU. Today I am going to tell you something about the partnership. As we all know that partnership is a business, partnership is a firm, partnership is a type of business in which two or more persons are included or combined to do some work. So let us talk about the partnership. As we all know that in India there is a Indian Partnership Act which is launched in 1932, and after that there are so many amendments were made in the Partnership Act. Today we are talking about the partnership. Let's see the main features of partnership. As we all know that partnership means the people are collecting and doing some work with some objective. Let us see the features of partnership. The first one is at least two persons. As we all know that partnership cannot be with one person. So there must be at least two persons. There is limitations of partners as maximum number of partner in a general firm, in a general business there must be maximum number is limited till 20, and in banking business there is a the partners are limited till 10 maximum numbers. Third point is agreement. As some people are, if they are agreed to do some work, so there must be an agreement. Without agreement or without contract, they cannot start a business. As we all know, in the eye of law, the agreement may be implied or expressed. It may be implied. They can sit together and be on certain conditions. They can be justified on some conditions. So there must be an agreement. It may be expressed or implied. There is business. If we are talking about the partnership and concern of business, so there must be a business, a proper business which is held by all of the partners. Sharing of profit. If partners are doing work together without sharing of profit, it means this is not a partnership firm. If the partners are working together and sharing the profit, it means this is a partnership firm. Sharing of profit, it is not necessary that all partners are share profit equally. It may be according to their agreement or another, or there may be many stages of sharing of profit. Next is mutual agency. As we all know that partnership firm may be registered, may not be registered. So it is a mutual agency where all the partners work together for their mutual interest. Next is seal of transfer of interest. As we all know that in company it is easy to share the transfer the share to anyone, but in partnership firm it is not easy to share the to seal the transfer, as if the person is selling its interest or its share of the partnership firm, it means the partnership firm is dissolving. Next is partition and dissolution. A partner can ask for the dissolution of partnership firm but cannot ask for the partition of partnership firm. As if the partner is asking about the partition of partnership firm, it means the partnership firm is dissolving. Line on property. Next is, so line on property means if the partner is working on behalf of the partnership for the firm, and whatever work he has done till the limit of that work, he has line on property. So whenever the partnership firm is dissolving or having the wind up process, the partner can ask for the property up to the limit of his expenses. Unlimited liability, all the partners, as in we have learnt in company that partners, that the members of company has limited liability till their share, but in partnership firm all the members has unlimited liability. Registration, as we have discussed earlier, that partners are, it is not necessary in a partnership firm that the registration is not compulsory. The partnership firm is may be registered, may not be registered. So not the only 10 or 11 points are sufficient in a partnership firm. If we are discuss, there are lots of points to discuss. If we compare it with the company, with the cooperative sector, with the other sector, with the sole proprietorship, with the so many sectors, so we can say that partnership is a separate business activity, a separate business form in which partners are mutual work for each other with a certain limited of member, with sharing profit motive, with mutual agency, with no transfer of certificate, no transfer of their interest, and so on. Thank you, and thank you. For more details, visit to www.gurukpo.com.